to back up n8n workflows. So backing up n8 workflows is crucial to prevent data loss. To do that, you can do manual export and import. To export, you can manually export individual workflows like this one. So just head over to these three dots right here, and you can find the option to import. Click onto the settings right there, and you can see right here the settings. You can choose right here save files and the likes. So with this, once it's been defaultly saved, we can proceed to have it and not cause any data loss. To restore, you can click on the three dots again, and you can import from file or from URL as well. You can also do automated backups using n8n workflows. So for this, you can configure a trigger like schedule trigger to run a backup at desired intervals to retrieve workflow data, process and format, and then upload it directly onto your Google Drive so you will still have access to your workflow. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.